Mga minahal kong taga Dumaguete, ang pagselebrar nato karon sa Pasko ug ang bagong tuig, dili na kayo pareho kaniadto nga masadya o masigarbuhon tungod kini sa pandemic nga COVID-19 virus. But we should never be silenced or be muted, for our faith and resilience will get us through. Our faith in Jesus Christ remains steadfast as we look forward to a healthier, a prosperous, and more robust 2021. We have been struggling daily, of course, and for almost a year now, but thankfully, we have been successful in keeping the number of COVID virus cases in our city at a very low and manageable level, keeping our community safe. Our work continues as we invest in capable personnel and resources in the fight against the dreaded virus. Dumaguete being the transit hub for trade, commerce, education, healthcare in Negros Oriental, yet we are still able to keep our number of infections manageable and at very low level. Thanks to the meticulous planning, dedication, and focus of our frontliners and government officials. But of course, this would not have been made possible without the trust and cooperation of the public and the residents of Dumaguete City. Ang tinuod nga diwa sa Pasko mao kanang paghatag wholeheartedly sa imong kaugalingon, sa imong taga Dumaguete, sa imong silingan, sa imong mga sakop, sa imong mga empleyado. This is demonstrated no less than by the birth of Jesus Christ, so that we could all be saved and granted eternal life. And in this global pandemic, we have witnessed people from various walks of life give their very best, oftentimes their welfare at risk, to serve and keep our community, our families, friends, visitors safe from COVID-19. So, as we celebrate Christmas and the holidays, we pay tribute to and thank the many nameless citizens, organizations, health workers, frontliners who have selflessly given their support and assistance in whichever way they can in our common fight against COVID virus. In John chapter 8, verse 12, the Lord Jesus Christ declared, "I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have light of life." Tonight, we light up our community Christmas tree to celebrate the very season that affirms our faith and reminds us in these most trying times that Jesus Christ is the light of the world. We shall keep our faith as we continue to heal as one. Sa tanan akong mga kauban sa buhat, sa gobyerno, mga opisyales, mga empleyado, our beloved citizens, visitors and friends, and partners all over the world, gikan sa akong kinahiladman, sa akong kasing-kasing, gikan sa akong pamilya, I want to greet all of you once more a Merry Christmas and a prosperous and safe 2021. Maayong gabi kanatong tanan.
Hi, good evening and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk. Tonight, we'll be sharing some good news to you, especially si Mayor, Mayor Ipe. We'll be sharing with you a very special award that we recently received from a very prestigious award body. So tonight we'll be discussing the two prestigious awards that Dumaguete City and the Mayor himself has received from a national awards group, and that will be our topic of discussion in this show for Let's Talk. So, Mayor, maayong gabi, and I'm sure na masayang masaya ka for Dumaguete City and definitely for yourself for the recent award that we received from a prestigious award-giving body. May gabi, sir.
Mayong gabi, Dino. Mayong gabi usab sa atong mga suking tigpaminaw o televiewers sa itatong programang Let's Talk.
Now, hindi ka lang pang sports, sir, eh. After you receive those two awards, after you receive those two awards, meron ka na namang na gathered na accolade na naman in another area, recognizing you for your outstanding leadership and management skills. Specifically, this COVID pandemic, no? The Department of Interior and Local Government, no? National government, has accorded you and recognized you as one of the local chief regional ambassadors for Region 7. In fact, sir, para lang sa kalaman ng mga viewers, you bested out 4 governors, 16 city mayors, and 116 municipal mayors. Imagine mo, ikaw yung napili as ambassador for the entire Region 7 for the Bida May Disiplina Solusyon sa COVID-19 campaign. This is quite an honor, sir. And your thoughts on this, sir?
I don't know how I got it, no? As ambassador, but maybe they thought of me because daghang kayo ni-complain ako. Sabi nagsulat dito sa Presidente, sa DILG, sa DOH, na stricto ako no kayo ang Dumaguete. Kanya, early on sa pandemic, ECQ, wala, daghang kayo naway na to sa distribution, sa queue passes.
Correct.
Okay. I think that was the time na balik-balik ako ngalan dito. Sige ko kadawat og notice ikan sa DILG. So, problema sila nga masig suspend tingali ko. But later, they found out na we had 11 months, 12 months after na very manageable ang atong COVID cases. Okay. May spike na ni atong November. 0-0 ta early on. May spike November and this December. By reason of the fact na open city man ang Dumaguete, meaning di man ta kabalibad o pasulod og tao basta taga Negros Oriental. Kung mga other municipalities in Maigan, unya Nakamparinti, at Tumukaon, muna na mo na bantayan nga sa atong contact tracing now even if they stay at home, mahimong potentially dangerous ang naas balay. Kung naay usa ka member sa pamilya nga trabaho sa Goa, naay usa ka member sa pamilya nga sige Goa, pagsulod nila siya ng balay, okay, dili na mo gamit og face mask, okay, isa gyud mo gamit og face mask kung imong kauban asawa, anak nimo, mohalok pa ka, amin pa ka. And then in Filipino families, I think seldom do you see or practice kanang magamit kag serving spoon. Kadaghan na malimtan na kay manghugas pa kag serving spoon. Wala ga diha na magtakdanay. Kanang mo buwa na mo marag you're so complacent in your house. Kay puro ra mo igsuon, puro mo mag-asawa, anak, apo. Ang tawo nimo face mask, kag istorya, okay, wala kay serving spoon, magsagol inyong laway. Wala. Kung gikan na itong membro sa pamilya gikan sa Goa, wa siya kabalo ang iyang katrabaho na COVID na di ay okay. Makatakod. That's why November we saw that the same family names are coming out. Magbungan sila og infect sa COVID. But luckily also daghang survivors, no? Daghang gitawag og recoveries from COVID, no? Average tag 12 cases a month for the almost 12 months na.
Okay.
Okay? Pero 0-0 ta early on, karon na may spike. So with that, for the past almost 12 months, mura na dili ta daily, 12 cases a month. Kung ikumpara na nimo sa ubang syudad, top notch ta in terms of, not in terms of the many cases, but pinaka-jutay, pinaka-well managed.
Yeah.
But still, mga doctors karon makuyawan kay first time po nga ubay-ubay ang mga doctors o mga frontliners ang na-contaminate.
Yeah.
Okay? But kulang ta sa facilities, private, and the biggest facility kanang isolation facility we have now is our provincial hospital, which is about 34 beds. Ang Siliman Medical Center, maybe 10 beds. Ang Holy Child, Buhara. May kaning kuan ron, na iba kong hospital na polymedic, na that would be added facility, but jutera po ila akseptahon. Ace Hospital, mo gyapon.
Yeah.
Muna nga, ako pong panawagan sa mga frontliners, you should also be very careful, extra careful, kung naka sa imong sulod sa imong pamilya, or even in going out of Dumaguete, maten kag parties, minsan malimtan nimo ba nga ang pagka-doktor o pagka-nurse, dili na siya immunity from COVID.
Yeah.
Oo. Okay. Wala exception. Presidente, pare, military, abogado. Okay. Ang pati rin na COVID, yung nabawa ko, si Doc Dino, si Doc Den, si Doc Sohor. Wala.
Meron po yan.
Wala pa. Oh.
Sir, yung distinct na recognition nito bestowed on you by DILG, no? Does this reinforce or vindicates you in terms of all the executive decisions and implementations that you did over the past several months to contain and mitigate the impact of COVID-19, despite amidst all the politicking, backstabbing, criticisms, and insults of some of our, friends here in the community?
Co-workers in government. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
In your hand.
I want to think of it that way. Pero ang kuwan ako nga, it's more on the success of, despite the noisy few, ang muna na kong conductor sa band, no? Kinig yung naningwa yun ani, ang atong first, number 1, City Health Office, led by Dr. Tala, atong Tourism Office, sa pagkontrol, atong local Chief of Police, ang atong Chief of Police and iyang mga ginsakpan, ang atong barangay officials, ang atong rescue unit, ang City Disaster Risk Management Office, DSWD, okay, and other private volunteers are our. I almost forgot. Ang atong City IATF.
Correct, sir.
Sige yung very conservative.
Correct.
Very supportive. Okay, it's a composite of different sectors. Okay, na IDTI diha, na ay PPA, na ay Coast Guard, na ay Fire Department, na ay Treasurer, City Treasurer, atong city official, city legal.
Yeah.
Okay. Daghan pa nga atong mga other private entities, mga Dumaguete mga business sector. Okay? And mga doctors, sila Dr. Ku. Okay? Muna nga this muna giingon nimo nga isa ta na award, this new designation as ambassador, COVID ambassador for Region 7, is merely a mirror of how the IATF and all these special people that I've mentioned work together na nakuanta, napansin ta nila ba sa nasyonal.
Correct.
Na, isa good. Oh, itong mga dagkong mga ciudad like Cebu City Province,
Precisely, sir.
and all the cities, they're equally competent. But ang mix ba? Ang timpla sa atong despite mga distractions.
Correct.
Naman ng mga distractions itong you know what, you know who they are
Yes, sir.
from media and from our co-workers in government. Pinapakita ito distraction. Perhaps it contributed. Na ilan naman, uy, Dumaguete, ipailan pa ng mayor o kaso. Di ba?
Yeah, that's right, sir.
We made us popular. Muna nag-imo kong ambassador. Pero it's really more on additional work for me. Kay
That's right.
part of the guideline is for me to collate all the best practices of the other cities and provinces so that ma-share na to ni. Okay? That's additional man hours for me. Tungod kay para ma-share na to, we can more effectively fight COVID if we are coordinated. Even the mga border controls, ang relationship sa mga local LGUs, like Siquijor wants to come in, mga taga-tao dito, kung siya atong mga protocols, okay, to harmonize all the protocols. Okay. We also have to work with our provincial counterpart, the IATF, and with the government.
Yeah. So basically, parang naging spokesperson ka niyan for COVID-19 sa region.
In a way, yes. In a way that that we expected. But it's something that, ako po ka-expect ka muna ilang, kung gitanaw ta nila,
Yeah.
di po tingnan itungod nga Sports Tourism Award dita, kuanta kay DILG naman ni government, Sports Tourism is private
Correct.
award. No? Ini government man eh. So, well, it's something that muna mo, it's really a recognition of our collective efforts. Di mo na ako sulugon naman ko ani. Okay. But I am happy that ang ako po mga co-ambassadors na yung mga gobernador, maybe of the 13 regions, unong pa gobernador.
Yeah.
Of course, expected sa Metro Manila si Isko Moreno.
That's right.
Yorme. Sa Davao, expected as a Region 11, si Sara Duterte. Si
Richard Gomez, sir.
Mayor Mangalong of Baguio, also in that region.
Yeah.
Dagang mga sikat na mga personalities.
That's right, sir.
Richard Gomez for region ambassador po siya. Region 8.
Correct.
Samar Leyte. Mga Samar Leyte. Mga sikat na sila. Kita ay dili sikat.
Habol guys, Mayor. Anyways, sir, your final thoughts and appeal this Christmas and New Year's Eve to our viewers in safely and healthy celebrating the holiday season, sir. Your
Yes, I'm really sorry, but as much as I would want everybody to enjoy Christmas and by, celebrating it with family, extended family, and pagkaon, dining, ato na din kontrolahon, no? Meaning, it's really, it boils down to self-discipline. If you don't want to get the virus, it's not the government that we can only do much. No? So kung sa pagbutang na mo sa executive order o police o bantay, it's humanly impossible to watch all of you. We are not gods. Especially pag naakas imong balay, di ka na mo, malalag bisag na kay CCTV sa balay, bisag connected po ta sa atong CCTV, it's humanly impossible to watch you. So, kita na lang kayo knowing all these things, nga di ay potential source of contamination ang dining in even with families and friends. Muna itong bantayan. Be very careful. So, kana gani kinahanglan ta nga di lang ta mangimbitar ang tagagawa kay wata kabalo ang tagagawa gikan po na sa balay nga di po careful ang tagagawa. Do not assume. Karon baliktad. Assume all your friends, all those who go into your office or go to your visit you in your house are carriers or potential carriers of COVID. What about lahi po ng Constitution nga presume guilty until proven otherwise. Kini presume innocent until proven otherwise. Pero you presume that even your wife is a or husband or lover or your friend is a potential COVID carrier.
Right.
Okay? So, you already have an excuse not to kiss your husband, not to kiss your wife. Kaya masing matakdan sila.
Yeah.
Una. Okay? Okay.
Anyway, sir.
Pero, you wouldn't do that. I know.
Yeah.
Worst to good ka.
Sir, congrats on you for these two awards, prestigious awards, the LGU Sports Tourism Organizer of the Year, and your personal award also for being the Sports Tourism Personality National Awardee for the year, together with Manuel P. Pangilinan, and as to being recognized also and designated as the ambassador for the COVID-19 pandemic in Region 7, sir, because of your initiatives that you have done for the city of Dumaguete. So, sir, by the time this program, this taping of ours is shown, it's already the eve of Christmas. So, would like to greet you, sir, personally. Merry Christmas, sir, and Happy New Year as well. And thank you for being my guest for my episode and sharing with us the city of Dumaguete and Negros Oriental and our viewers a lot of information about what's going on and update the city government of Dumaguete. So with that, I'd like to thank everybody and greet everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This has been our episode for tonight. I'm Doc Dino. Be well.
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say, wrecking ball.